To replace fabrics after washing, first position the seat pad into the empty seat shell. With the headrest in the lowest position, guide the seat pad around the headrest and onto the back of the seat frame. Thread the crotch strap through the correct opening in the seat pad. Guide the seat pad around the harness release button. To attach the seat pad around the cup holder frame, flip the seat pad inside out to reveal the flexible frame tabs. Turn the flexible frame over and guide it into the cup holder frame. Insert the tabs into the corresponding slots. The flexible frame should be fixed securely inside the cup holder frame. Attach the zipper and pull the zipper all the way around the child seat until it is completely closed. To install the headrest fabric piece, adjust the headrest to its highest position and pull the fabric back onto the sides of the headrest frame. Use the plastic tabs to help push the fabric into the bottom slot. Make sure the harness straps are inserted correctly into the designated openings. Then slide the headrest fabric up onto the backrest plate. Insert the bottom panel into the top panel. Snap both sets of buttons below the headrest. At the back of the headrest, use the plastic tabs to help push the fabric into the slot until the fabric edge is hidden, and snap both buttons. Attach the flex forward crotch pad. Insert the winged section of the crotch pad behind the harness buckle strap. Slide the buckle up through the pad. Wrap the strap through the opening of the buckle strap. Fasten the snap button to secure it. Reinstall the cup holders. Line up the key on the bottom of the cup holder and twist into place. Reattach the shoulder pads by folding the Velcro tab over the harness strap. Replace the hip pads. Fold the pads over the harness and below the buckle tongues and secure the Velcro tabs.